Well, it has been a tricky year for investment-grade bonds, but Amazon is looking to sell some debt ahead of any J. Powell-related volatility. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Ali Garfinkel, who's covering this story for us. And no, we did not plan this dress matching. But let's talk about the bonds here, Ali, because, this comes as we heard from BlackRock saying that corporate bonds are kind of back in vogue, even with those higher rates.
Yeah, I mean, and this is also the second time this year Amazon is looking to sell bonds at Kiko, right? And the target size of this offering is about $8.25 billion. And it hasn't closed yet. It closes December 1st. And there are kind of a couple of things sort of happening here. The background of this, too, is that Amazon's had a rough year even for big tech. Stocks down about 43% year to date. And I know what Brent Till, for example, published a note recently that was like, we think they have some of the most downside among mega caps. So, what are they going to do with this, right? What happens now once it closes, right? There are sort of three things that I think we can see, and there are going to some key figures we're going to probably pull up here pretty soon. But the answer are buybacks, debt, and deals, right? Those are kind of the three things. Amazon last sold bonds in April, raising $12.75 billion, and they're probably gonna pay off some debt here. They have about $70 billion reportedly. And, we have seen the board authorize share buybacks, which is not something that they have done much before. I think it was 2016 to 2021 that we actually didn't see any buybacks at all from Amazon. So there's some indication of, the stock maturing. It's clearly a different time for Amazon, and clearly they're trying to set themselves up for a better 2023.
So then, Ali, where do you expect to see Amazon investing from here then?
I was actually talking to Dan Flex at Neuberger Berman about this, and he and I sort of agreed that there are kind of a couple of key areas. One is Prime and content. Those are going to be probably paramount for Amazon. We've seen it, with the $1 billion that they're investing in putting movies in theaters, with what they've invested in Thursday Night Football. But also, we're going to see investments probably in cloud and possibly even in their growing ads business. So that's an area to definitely watch, Rochelle.
Okay, Ali Garfinkel joining me in pink here in studio. Thanks so much for that.